Hello everyone, I'm Irene Apakatig. In our Unit 1 lesson, we talk about multiculturalism and the challenges it faces such bias, bullying, and exclusion. Today, I want to share why multiculturalism should not just be a lesson we study, it should be the way we live every day. Multiculturalism means respecting and appreciating people from different cultures, beliefs, tradition, and backgrounds. It reminds us that every person deserves kindness, respect, and equal treatment no matter where they came from. Why is multiculturalism important? It is important to us because we live in a diverse world. In our classrooms, neighborhoods, and communities, we meet people with different languages, customs, religions, and experiences. When we fail to respect these differences, misunderstanding, prejudice, and discrimination can grow. But when we embrace multiculturalism, we create an environment where everyone feels accepted, valued, and safe. It teaches us empathy, understanding, and cooperation, qualities that help build a peaceful and united society. Multiculturalism offers many wonderful benefits. It allows us to learn from one another and discover new ideas, tradition, food, music,